Hi everyone and welcome to this new video. Today we are going to dive into one of the most helpful tools available in Linux terminal, the man command. Let me open the terminal and let's get started. So what's the man command? The man command stands for manual and it's your go-to tool for reading documentation on almost any command in Linux. Think of it as an encyclopedia of commands. Want to know what options a command has or what it does? The man command will show you. Let's start with a basic example, man ls. And as you see, we have a man page, and the man page has four sections: name and synopsis or synopsis. I don't know if I'm pronouncing the name correctly. Anyway, this is the second section, then description, and then we have options. And here you can read all the information that you want to know about a command. What kind of options does it have, and all what you need. As I said, you just need to write man and then the command name, and it's going to show you its documentation. Let's try with pwd, and now we have the documentation of this command. So pwd is going to print the name of current working directory. Now let's move to a new topic, which is navigation inside the man page. We can navigate using the arrows, and here we are navigating one line each time, up and down, and we can use also the spacebar to navigate. It's going to scroll down one page at a time. So we are now at the end. We can go up, and then with the spacebar, it's going to go down one page at a time. And then let's move to searching in the manual page. Let me go back to man ls. So let us search for the option -L. And to search, we need to type slash and then -ls, and now search. So it's saying pattern not found. Let's try again. -L, because I typed ls and it's L. This is the option that I was looking for. And now, as you see, we have it here highlighted in orange. And to move between the results, you need to press on N. So N is going to move to the second result or the second occurrence of the searched word. That was all. I think these are the most important information. So how to navigate, how to search, and what's the use of this command. If you have any question, please leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe.